Hello everyone, welcome to Learning Literature with Purba. In today's video, we are going to talk about the two famous literary clubs of the early 18th century, the Kit Kat Club and the Scriblerus Club. These two famous literary clubs existed in the Age of Enlightenment or the Neoclassical Age, the Kit Kat Club and the Scriblerus Club. So if you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, then do subscribe to it and hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Now, before we talk about the Kit Kat Club and the Scriblerus Club, we first need to talk about the two political parties of Britain during that time, the Whig Party and the Tory Party. So the Whig Party, they supported the common welfare of people. So that was their main priority, and they supported the parliament, whereas the Tory Party supported the divine rights of the king. So that was the difference between the Whig Party and the Tory Party. So at first, we are going to talk about the Kit Kat Club. So the Kit Kat Club is an early 18th century literary club in London. Now the leaders of the Whig Party, they founded the Kit Kat Club. So the leaders of the Whig Party, they once met in a tavern run by Christopher Cat. And in that tavern, they used to get mutton pies called Kit Kats. So from which they derived the name of the club called Kit Kat Club. So this club was founded by the leaders of the Whig Party, and the club members used to meet and discuss the political condition of England. Now, some of the important members of the Kit Kat Club are Joseph Addison, Sir John Vanbrugh, William Congreve, John Locke. We have Sir Robert Walpole, the first Prime Minister of Britain. We have the Duke of Somerset, Earl of Burlington, Earl of Stanhope and Viscount Cobham. Next we have the Scriblerus Club, another early 18th century British literary club. It was an informal association of authors based in London, and the members of the Scriblerus Club were the leaders and supporters of the Tory Party. So the main members were Alexander Pope, Jonathan Swift, John Gay, Thomas Parnell and John Arbuthnot. The Scriblerus Club was founded in 1714 and it continued till the death of its founders, finally ending in 1745. The purpose of forming the Scriblerus Club was not to discuss political matters, but rather to ridicule all false tastes in learning under the name of Martinus Scriblerus. So the members of the Scriblerus Club, they created this persona of Martinus Scriblerus, a fictional character. Memoirs of Martinus Scriblerus is a very famous book associated with the Scriblerus Club. So the Memoirs of Martinus Scriblerus was written by all the 5 members of the Scriblerus Club, and it was published by Alexander Pope. It is a satirical book, and all the members of the Scriblerus Club were great satirists. The second edition of Alexander Pope's The Dunciad contains works attributed to Martinus Scriblerus. Jonathan Swift's Gulliver's Travels developed from the idea of the Scriblerus Club that proposed to satirize the follies and vices of the learned, the scientific and the modern men. Jonathan Swift was actually given an assignment by the Scriblerus Club to satirize the follies and vices of men during voyages to faraway lands. And that is how we have got this amazing masterpiece by Jonathan Swift, Gulliver's Travels. So that was all about the Kit Kat Club and the Scriblerus Club. The members of the Kit Kat Club were leaders and supporters of the Whig Party. The members of the Scriblerus Club were the supporters and leaders of the Tory Party. The members of the Kit Kat Club, they met to discuss political condition of England. The members of the Scriblerus Club, They met to ridicule all false taste in learning. So that was all for today's video. I hope you found the video useful. If you found it useful, then do like it and share with your friends. I will be back soon with a brand new video on a literary work. Till then, stay tuned to Learning Literature with Purba. Do visit our online academy www.learningliteratureWithPurba.com to discover courses and classes on English literature and creative writing. Also, stay connected with us on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you so much for watching.